Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do review and nothing. Where is it, John? Alright guys, this is a tarantula remote control. So this is John's new toy and it's from ZF. What do you call it? ZF.
I think this is
Jan's Yufei. Right. So let's see the casing first. It's a remote control RC. It can rotate, simulation hairy body. There's a, I think, back and forward. And here, John, lights, spider. I don't know what is this, IR. And it says realistic control. So remote battery use 3 AA, say John. And in the back, oh, this is a real tarantula picture. And infrared. Oh, that one's IR is infrared. This one is infrared. Flexible design, quick moving, etc. etc. 86 plus. Alright, so let's open this up and let's see.
Wrong way.
Wrong way. Goes from the left. Oh, what happened to the remote control?
Died.
Fell down. Okay, so we already opened all the packaging, so we just take it out. But there's supposed to be a package wrapping there. Okay, realistic crawl. Some palm trees there. Okay, so there you go, guys.
It's not hairy.
It's kind of hairy, John. Kind of hairy. Very small, short hair looks like.
Maybe.
So that's the underbelly of it. It got some eyes. It will glow. We'll see. The mouth.
Don't be scary if it's
Yeah.
dark.
Okay, how do we turn this on, John? On this one. This is the on-off button. Right, and just click it. And the eyes glows, guys.
Maybe.
Hang on. When you turn it off, the eyes died. But when you turn it on, the eyes glows red. It's kind of orange in the camera, but when you see in IRL, it's really red, John.
Yeah.
It's red. All right, so let's try it, John. It just oops. Which one is? Oh, there's an on-off button also on the remote.
No.
Huh? No. Off. Why everything is on? Oh. Okay, just put it. Let me just put it here first. Can we? What is this button, John?
Turn.
Oops. Oh, the one for turning.
Here. Or like this. Just see this.
Okay, when you. Oh, it's turning. I see. So we can go forward, we can go backward, and this one for turning. Okay, we're going to move the camera to the floor so you can see
No,
the.
I want to see at the dark.
You see in the dark, but camera cannot see. Let's move the camera to the floor, alright? Alright, John. Turn it. Can you turn it? Yep.
Pak, permisi.
Alright guys, so you see it play even in the dark room, but you cannot see really anything. The eyes glows red. So, what do you think? Hi Wen. So what do you think? Is this worth it? I don't know what the cost of this. My dad's, John's grandpa, gave it to him. I don't know what the cost is this, but you can see from the top, it's kind of like having this design, so simulates a tarantula, and the tarantula gets shot. Alright guys, so what do you think? Do you like this one? If you want, oh, hang on, let me just shut it out first. So, do you gonna get this or not? So that's okay. So that's a short review, and I'm shooting this video. Okay, so that's a short review. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Put your comments. Do you like it? Do you have scared of spider or not? And okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Love you all.